Hello and welcome to Vermont Lavender. My name is Diane. Thank you for joining me today. So I have a lot of products right here, and these are all my new bath bombs. My new bath bombs that I'm working on. I should be able to offer that next year. In January, that's what I'm working on, is developing and getting the packaging down, but also that I can make sure that I can produce this and get this out. So this is my store right here, and this is the shower steamers that I have available, and I'm going to change the packaging on that, update that. And then this over here is some little sock gift packs right here. Unscented skincare line. I'm going to be adding more to this. I want to do some like facial lotions, which you can use this on the face, so that's really nice. And then these are the lavender bundles, and then I have some new shower steamers right here, and these are the peppermint ones, and they smell wonderful. Peppermint candy. Bath bombs. I have the winter scent. I have some these are lavender chamomile bubble bath scoops. And then these are more bath bombs. This is a raspberry jam, and then I have a raspberry vanilla. And that's the little teapot design. It's really cute. Smells great in the tub. And then these are all the soaps right here. I have plenty of soaps, so if you are looking for a gift, I even have a lot of maple products right here. I have a gift set. And then these are little soaps. They look like candies, but they're not. So it's a maple gift set. Here I have more little soaps. I have goat milk, and I have... So this is my store. So come on in. We'd love to see you here. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below, or if you have a question, I'd love to answer it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help to get it out there in the YouTube algorithm, and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.